Frontier tuning allows you to take a model like MAI thinking and build a custom solution based on your knowledge, your data, your tasks, all within your secure and compliant Microsoft tenant. You can build out your own RL environment, and nobody sees that except for you and your company. There's 3 ways that you can do frontier tuning at Microsoft. So if you're a developer, you can jump right into the code yourself. We have low-level APIs within Foundry that allow you to take your model, take your data, and through a fine-tuning API, you can build out your custom RL environment and build out your custom AI solution. If you want a no-code environment, you can use Copilot in Microsoft 365, where all of your data is already there in SharePoint. So you can use the interface to select your tools, select your task, build out the things that matter for you, and then you can hill climb on your own data to build custom AI that in the end oftentimes is reaching frontier level performance on the tasks that matter for you in a way that's much more efficient with respect to the amount of tokens that you're actually using. Hill climbing is about allowing the model to constantly be learning on new data and new tasks and being able to have an ongoing loop that's sort of moving up and to the right that ensures that the model is always learning and understanding the right response or the wrong response and learning from that information. And we allow our customers to do that too through frontier tuning. You know, you can think about tuning a model like you're tuning a radio. And, remember those days where you were trying to dial in that perfect frequency? You've got a ton of noise and you need to find that signal. And so how can we help and guide these AI systems to really get to the point where we've got a good signal? And that signal is really when the intelligent system is responding and performing on the task that matters to you. I really believe in the vision that we have as a group to build super intelligence that's humanist, that's humans first. Like we're building this technology to benefit humanity. We want to create the type of intelligence that's frontier, but is doing it in a way that's going to accelerate human growth and flourishing.